electricity bill online. Nowadays, it has become common to make payments online. The Government of India is also encouraging the practice. Payments made online save time and effort. Go to Google and click the app AP Electricity Board. First, we have to register our details like name, electricity service number, Aadhaar number, and bank account details. We have to create the username and password. Now, log in by entering the username and password. Then, the page shows the consumer number, name, and the amount of money to be paid. Then choose net banking option and specify the name of the bank. Confirm the details again on the page, filling the security codes also. Finally, click to proceed to payment. Then the receipt appears on the screen confirming the payment. Thank you for watching, friends. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos.